Meaning of injection molding.
Injection molding.
Injection molding.
Injection molding.
Injection molding. Injection molding is a manufacturing process that involves injecting molten material into a mold cavity to create a finished product. This process is commonly used to produce a wide range of plastic products, including toys, automotive parts, and medical devices. The process begins with the material being heated and melted before being injected into the mold cavity. Once the material has cooled and solidified, the finished product is ejected from the mold. Injection molding provides several advantages, including high production rates, consistent product quality, and the ability to create complex geometries.